English to Pashto sentences. Whose shoes are those? هغه پایزار د چا دي؟ Whose shoes are those? Whose name is Ali? Ali د چا نوم دی؟ Whose name is Ali? Whose book is this? دا کتاب د چا دی؟ Whose book is this? Whose is this? دا د چا دی؟ Whose is this? Where are your shoes? ستا پایزار کوم ځای دی؟ Where are your shoes? Where are you from? ته د کوم ځای نه یې؟ Where are you from? Where do you live? ته کوم ځای اوسیږي؟ Where do you live? Why did he get so angry? هغه دومره ولې قار شو؟ Why did he get so angry? Why did you say that? تا داسې ولې ووی؟ Why did you say that? Why are you silent? ته ولې غلی یې؟ Why are you silent? Why did this happen? داسې ولې وشو؟ Why did this happen? When will we eat? مونږ به کله خورو؟ When will we eat? When will we reach? مونږ به کله رسو؟ When will we reach? When did you come here? ته کله دلته راغلی؟ When did you come here? When will you come back? ته به واپس کله راځې؟ When will you come back? I need something else. زما سنور پکار دی. I need something else. Let's do something else. راځئ سنور سکو. Let's do something else. I will do something else. زبا سنور سا وکم. I will do something else. Do you need something else? آیا ستا نور سا پکار دی؟ Do you need something else? Whom do you love? ته د چا سره مینه کوې؟ Whom do you love? Whom did you ask? تا د چا نه تپوس وکړو؟ Whom did you ask? With whom do you live? ته د چا سره اوسیږي؟ With whom do you live? For whom are you looking? ته څوک ګورې؟ For whom are you looking? Who spoke? چا ووی؟ Who spoke? Who won? چا وګټو؟ Who won? Who did? چا وکړو؟ Who did? Who fell? څوک ورتاو شو؟ Who fell? Who came? څوک راغی؟ Who came? Who shouted? چا چغه ووهله؟ Who shouted? Who escaped? څوک بچ شو؟ Who escaped? Who wrote this? چا دا ولیکو؟ Who wrote this? Who cheated? چا دوکه ورکړه؟ Who cheated? چا منع کړو؟ Who stopped? Who is she? هغه څوک ده. Who is she? Who is that beautiful girl? دغه ښکلې جینۍ څوک ده. Who is that beautiful girl? Who was there? دغلته څوک و. Who was there? Who is laughing? څوک خاندي. Who is laughing? Who will come here? دلته به څوک راځي. Who will come here? Who does not come here? دلته څوک نه راځي. Who does not come here? Don't bump into someone. د چا سره جنګېږه ما. Don't bump into someone. Who bumped into you? تا سره څوک وجنګېدو. Who bumped into you? He bumped into me. هغه ما سره وجنګېدو. He bumped into me. Be careful. Don't bump into someone. پام کوه چرته چا سره ونه جنګېږي. Be careful. Don't bump into someone. Why are you staring at that man? ته دغه سړي ته ولې بد بد ګورې. Why are you staring at that man? Don't stare at that man. دغه سړي ته بد بد مه ګوره. Don't stare at that man. Stop staring at that man. دغه سړي ته بد بد کتل بند کا. Stop staring at that man. Don't stare at that man like that. دغه سړي ته داسې بد بد مه ګوره. Don't stare at that man like that. Where do I park the bike? زه موټر سایکل کوم ځای ودروم. Where do I park the bike? Park the bike over there. دغلته موټر سایکل ودروه. Park the bike over there. Where have you parked the bike? تا موټر سایکل کوم ځای ودرولې. Where have you parked the bike? I have parked the bike over there. ما دغلته موټر سایکل ودرولې. I have parked the bike over there. Which book is this? دا کوم کتاب دی. Which book is this? Don't pile up books. د کتابونو ډیرې مه جوړوه. Don't pile up books. Don't pile up books on the table. په میز د کتابونو ډیرې مه جوړوه. Don't pile up books on the table. I like my books. زه خپل کتابونه خوښوم. I like my books. Where did you put my glasses? تا زما چشمې کوم ځای ایښي. Where did you put my glasses? I put your glasses on the table. ما ستا چشمې په میز ایښي. I put your glasses on the table. I don't have time. ما سره وخت نشته. I don't have time. I don't have time for nonsense things. ما سره د بې فایدې خبرو د پاره وخت نشته. I don't have time for nonsense things. I have to buy clothes. ما لره کپړې اغستل دي. I have to buy clothes. I have to buy clothes for myself. ما لره د ځان د پاره کپړې اغستل دي. I have to buy clothes for myself. We should leave bad habits. مونږ له خراب عادتونه پرېښودل پکار دي. We should leave bad habits. Bad habits cause loss of self. د خرابو عادتونو سره خپل نقصان کیږي. Bad habits cause loss of self. My leg moved into mud. زما خپه په چاقړو کې لاړه. My leg moved into mud. Both of my legs moved into mud. دواړه خپې مې په چاقړو کې لاړې. Both of my legs moved into mud. یا دواړه خپې مې په خټو کې لاړې. We should not go out in heavy rain. مونږ له په تیز باران کې بهر ته وتل نه دي پکار. We should not go out in heavy rain. We should stay at home in heavy rain. مونږ له په تیز باران کې کور کې ناستل پکار دي. We should stay at home in heavy rain. Where is your house? ستا کور کوم ځای دی؟ Where is your house? My house is next to the park. زما کور د پارک په خوا کې دی. My house is next to the park. Stop talking. خبرې کول بند کا. Stop talking. Stop talking and pay attention. خبرې کول بند کا او توجه ورکا. Stop talking and pay attention. Please forgive me. ما معاف کا. Please forgive me. I will never forgive you. زه به تا هیڅ چرې معاف نه کم. I will never forgive you. Who fooled you? ته چا بې وقوفه جوړ کړې؟ Who fooled you? You have fooled me. تا زه بې وقوفه جوړ کړم. You have fooled me. Did you take your revenge? آیا تا خپله بدله واغسته؟ Did you take your revenge? I will take my revenge. زه به خپله بدله اخلم. I will take my revenge. Can you walk in the dark? آیا ته په تیاره کې تلی شي؟ Can you walk in the dark? I cannot walk in the dark. زه په تیاره کې نشم تلی. I cannot walk in the dark. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.